To use your Amazon Prime Visa for TSA Precheck, start by understanding what TSA Precheck is. It is a program that allows low-risk travelers to expedite their security screening process at participating U.S. airports. With TSA Precheck, you can enjoy a faster and more convenient airport experience. The first step is to apply for a TSA Precheck membership. You can do this online through the Transportation Security Administration website. You will need to provide some personal information and pay an enrollment fee. However, if you have an Amazon Prime Visa, you can receive a statement credit of up to $85 to cover this fee. Once you have applied for TSA Precheck, you will need to schedule an in-person appointment at an enrollment center. At this appointment, you will need to provide identification and fingerprints. After your appointment, you will receive a known traveler number, which you will use to book your flights and expedite your security screening. To use your Amazon Prime Visa for TSA Precheck, log into your Chase Online account and navigate to the Benefits section. Here, you will find the TSA Precheck credit and can apply for reimbursement of your enrollment fee. You will need to provide your known traveler number and proof of payment to receive the credit. When booking your flights, make sure to enter your known traveler number in the appropriate field. This will indicate to the airline and TSA that you are a TSA Precheck member and eligible for expedited security screening. On the day of your flight, proceed to the TSA Precheck line and present your boarding pass and government-issued ID. By following these steps and using your Amazon Prime Visa for TSA Precheck, you can enjoy a faster and more convenient airport experience. Remember to always check the TSA website for participating airports and airlines, and to enter your known traveler number when booking your flights to ensure expedited security screening.